guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing. My friend Becca, we did a Maggie Holmes embellishment swap. I'm super excited to open it. So I'm just gonna jump right on into it. She had it wrapped in pretty wrapping paper. Gosh, girl, what did you? Probably something fabulous. Make. Oh, she even sent Halloween. That was a good idea, and I didn't do that. Sorry, girl. Girl, there's still stuff on the bottom. Oh my gosh, lots of goodie, and even like really pretty shred. Little flower. I'm gonna save this shred mix. Okay, so let me open my card. Thank you for sending the Halloween. That was a really great idea, and I didn't even think about that, but oh my gosh, icky. Okay, so I guess you know what? I'm gonna start with the Halloween embellies because I see them on top right here. Look how cute. So she made like a little embellished circle. She stitched it with it's a shaker. You guys see that? Little bats. I think this is the that new collection. I can't think of the name. Spooky. Shoot, I don't even know. No, Hey Pumpkin. That's what it's called, right? She got the little vella. Look at the tiny little rose, like acrylic rose right there. How cute is that? And then look at this. Oh, where did you get that spider web from? It's like a huge, it's almost like a chipboard piece, or maybe it's an ornament. Super cute. Wicked good time. She's glued little sequins and spiders are all peeping out. It's all layered up. Ooh, I'm super excited. Thank you. Oh, made with love by Becca. Did I already say what her handle was? It's Inspireandcreate, which I'll link everything down below. I always just shove it in a bag that's nearby until I know what I'm doing with. How cute! Okay, so let me layer this up. She made all sorts of like. Usually with a swap, you guys agree to like a certain thing. Like we didn't do that. We were just doing like Maggie Holmes, you know. But she made like, I already see a shaker, this fancy little like tag flip stand, all sorts of stuff. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna jump right into this. She's made an altar. Oh my gosh, and this is such like a cute little size. It's a little wood embroidery hoop, and she's altered it. She did the bottom half, a little shaker in there. She's the carousel collection, little flowers and petals. Look at little flower peeping even underneath. Love the little tickets. Look how cute. And it's just like so little and perfect, it'll fit on the shelf too. Love, love, love. Super cute. Thank you, girly. And then this one, let's see what she made in here. So cute. So this is what it looks like. Stands up like this. She got her little tag sticker on the back. She got her little trim right here on one of the jump rings. So it says, "Today was magic." So cute. Used her little chipboard pieces. Aw, she even made like a little pocket. Tiny little pocket. Yes, girl. Like ephemera and layering pieces. Love, love, love. I love the tickets. I'm obsessed. Sparkle every day. Then this next page, it says love. It's a little carousel piece. She's that trim. Then the back, she's included some little bows, cute little polka dot bows in black and pink. So cute. And on the bow paper. Then the other page right here, she's got a little, like a little paper clip with, ooh, let's see here. She got her little ephemera pieces on here. Again, I love this. It's going straight in my Maggie Holmes ephemera little like thingy I have. Compartment. Perfect. And then this side is the little Polaroid with the little carousel horse. Just did some trim on top of the world. Oh, cute, that little Michael sticker. Right here. Then this back side says, "Every moment is magical when I'm with you." The little ephemera piece. She's did her enamel dots everywhere. Look how cute this little carousel page is, the carnival one. So cute. And then the back, oh, that's such a good idea. You guys have those carousel, I think it's carousel. The little like page flag sticky notes, and she did like a little page collage of them. It's a really good idea to like gift them and stuff. I'll just be popping this ring off and I'll leave them on there like that. So cute. And then the little zebra paper. And did you make this with like, I think she used chipboard. I'm not sure how you make these things, but I'm assuming it's chipboard because it's super sturdy, thick, and it just stands up like that. How cute is that? Perfect like little desk piece. So I'll open this one. Let's see here. She got the cute little glittered bag. Little pom-pom on here. And what is this? Hold on. What is this? Let's see, girl. Ooh, it's a tight squeeze. Ooh. Should include a girl. You shoved all this in there. She's got a cute little bow. Look at, it's a little leather bow, but it's got a little like a clasp on there, like a dangle. How cute is that? Bubblegum lip scrub. Girl, you must be reading my mind, or not my mind, but my lips are so chapped, like with dead skin right now, that if I peel the dead skin, they bleed. This, I need this right now. Pause the video. Yay. Oh, glitter, gold glitter. And this is like the strong tape, not just like your regular washi. So yay, it's the 3M brand. Look how cute these little leather pouches. It says choose joy, little zipper pouch. Oh my gosh, look at this. Born to roam. Totally going on my luggage because I don't have a luggage tag. So this is fun. Yay. Super cute. Love this little leather goods package. And it's like never ending. She's in a little confetti tube from Target. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even see the other side. Look how cute. So she's decorated it with a little doily, her little thickers she used. So cute. Layered up all the pieces. And then, oh, is this like a matchbox? Oh, yes. Okay. Look how cute. So she just stuck, so she's made compartments, which is a great idea, and then just stuck embellishments in each of the compartment, you guys. Look how cute. So she's made little, whoa, page flags. Look how cute. This is such a great idea. Look at, and you could just pop these, you guys, you could just pop these on a bag and call it a bag topper and call it a day. Look how cute. Got those little guys. Then over here, oh, we got another one. It says life is sweet. Then she's got these like layered up puffy hearts, like layered put with fringe. Look at, amazing and beautiful. This looks like so simple to make. I need to redo this. I'm inspired. Then she's made these cute little like almost like crepe paper page flag embellishments, and she stapled up all the little pieces, layered it up. That one's got a wood veneer. This one has the heart. Love the colored staples too. Little butterfly. Another little heart. So cute, Becca. Then over here she's made, oh my gosh, look at this. Does this go in there like this? It's sticky, so it goes somewhere. I don't know where though. Oh, you know what? I think it goes on the side. Like this. There we go. Little letter in there. It says be the light. Look at the little envelope she made. How cute are the, oops. Another one with the I think this is the bloom paper pad. Oh, so cute. Then we have this one right here. Oh, look at the cute little button with the little ribbon, the little page flags. And then we have this one right here. Oh. And again, this guy I think went like this. There we go. Lovely day. So cute, like a little embellishment matchbooks box, you guys. And then it just slides right back in. Like so. Like, oh, I need an embellishment. Boop. I need a Maggie Holmes embellishment, please. Pop it on open. Then this, she's got tissue paper. Girl, oh my gosh. She did like an altered, oh no, it's like an altered photo frame slash pocket. Like she stuck stuff in here. Look, it even stands up. It's like a real functioning frame. Look at, she's did a little frame, a cute little swan embellishment on there. How cute. This will go in my wand drawer. It says so sweet, the little ephemera piece. Oh my gosh, look at the little unicorn. Unicorn paper clip, girl. Let me take all this goodness out. Oh, how cute is that? So it could just go like this and stay there. It's got the little ticket, the little butterfly. Look how cute. And that's like the glass part or the plastic. I don't know. It might be glass. So cute. And then she stuck little like the tag pieces are in there. She's made super cute. Oh, you know what? I don't think I made a sequence mix for you. I wanted to. Dang it. Oh, where did you get these butterflies from? Ooh, I need those butterfly sequins in my stash, like right now. Carousel matches with the carousel theme. Yes, it does. Ooh. Okay, so I got another little ticket, and then look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Did you just use your punch it? Like, this is just so perfect. So it's like a bunch of, like, I think I have a punch that makes this shape, and I have a punch that makes the scallop, and then maybe cut the scallop in half. Is that what you did? This is such a good idea. Look how cute, you guys. I love this idea. I need to do this. And do you guys ever, like, when you see YouTube videos or you see incoming Happy Mail, like you have all these ideas, I swear I wrote mine down on a piece of paper and I don't know where the heck that paper is. So it's like, I don't, like, how do you guys keep track of that? Like, I don't know. I don't know which way. I feel like I have so many ideas and I write them down and I jot them down, or like I want to scrap lift this idea and then I forget, or, you know, I don't have enough time. Like how cute, she made like a little pocket, like a library card. So cute, a little page flag. Ooh, I love these little sticker labels, so cute in pink. Little ephemera piece, and then she's like layered. Oh, there's more pieces in there. Little pieces, bits and bobs, so cute. Merry-go-round, and then I think this is, oh no, it's not part of it. Little ephemera pieces, you guys. There's a little pocket, it says beautiful. It's all layered up. So cute. I'm excited. This is like so many goodies. Okay, and then, oh yes, I love like little, like, would this be considered like just ephemera, you know, receiving ephemera? Uh-oh, this butterfly came from somewhere. I think it went over there. Little like cut apart pieces of this. I love this idea. I need to do this because I like keeping stuff like this, and I think it's perfect for layering when you're like making little collages and embellishments. And then next is this like big old box. Oh my gosh, what on earth? Look how cool. Okay, so she's like layered up the front like, well, not the front, the top of it. She even used fabric and flowers, says love, and it's a like, it's organizer, you guys. Like, I could just leave it right there. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Look, I'll just take out the drawer. So she's got a cute little, uh-oh, this guy fell off somewhere. He might have just been clipped on somewhere. Maybe right here. She's made the little heart embellishments. She's puffed them up and packaged them up. So cute. You know what? I used these same Michaels stickers on one of my embellishments that I sent you, or something I sent you. And then the next drawer, oh my gosh, look how cute. So she did the little rosettes. She's got the little unicorn on there. And she's added, you know what? I think these are the rosettes from, I don't know which collection. And then she just went and added like die cuts and like, oh, look at that swan. It's like embroidered or something. But she's like added all these like extra textures to it. And that's such a great idea because I have a lot of like pre-made, handmade, not handmade, store-bought ones that I can alter. Then we have these cute little envelope embellishments. Again, she stapled them all cute with the little page flags. Decorate them with the little puffy butterflies. Oh, I love this trim up here with this little heart. Super cute. Bottom drawer. A little bag topper with the trim, and then she did circle embellishments. Do you guys just use like, is that regular pen that you guys are just using? It's almost like a stitched look, which I love, and I have yet to try it. It's another thing on my bucket list I need to try. She's got the little vintage cameras, like from the, I forget what collection. And then the little page flags all layered up on there. They're all puffed up. Super cute. And then we have some more with the little cameras, the little clouds. Ooh, I love that trim. I don't know what collection this is. It's like one of her, I think I have this paper pad though. I could be wrong, but I think I do have this paper pad. Super cute girl. Thank you so much. You sent so much stuff. Felt like I was opening forever. Little desk organizer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you so much, Becca, for swapping with me. And now I need to organize where all this stuff goes. I'll leave Becca's information down below. If you're not following her, give her a follow. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.